Hello, my dear children. We are back again with English literature class. Here, Shavani ma'am is going to take the workbook today. So, just like good student, please take out your James Reader workbook. Yes. And your pencil, eraser. Most of you, some of you must till now don't have books. So what I'm working out, I'll give the snapshot. And I would request all the students to do this exercise in your book, not in copy. Whatever I'll mention you to do in copy, you will do it in copy. And whatever I'll say to do it in book, you do. Now we will first complete all the works in the book. And in between what I give you for exercise doing in copy, that will work out in the exercise copies. Okay, my dear children. So today chapter 3 we have done in the reader. Why did Seema fall? Yes. So today we will be doing the workbook exercise. Most of the exercise were given in your James Reader textbook also, which we have done. But similar to that, same as that, we have got some exercises here. So now I'm just guiding you because you are learning now. Slowly, I'll be advising you all to work out these workbooks by yourself. I will explain you all and you all have to do. But now, I'm helping you all out. Okay, student? So be ready all of you, my dear children. Page 11. Here we go. Play with words. Chapter 3. Name the things that Seema has in her room. Choose the words from the box. Here are the pictures. And whatever is here, the names are written here. Now you have to see the numbering and see where the answer is there and write down over here how I did it. So let's do. Number 1, see the picture. Where is number 1? Right at the top in the left. It's book. Books. So number 1, it is done. See, books. In the dash is written books. Number 2, what they are showing? Curtains. So number 2 answer is curtains. Number 3, what they are showing? Clock. So you write C-L-O-C-K, clock. Number 3 answer. You choose the spelling from the box and you write it down. Number 4, what they are showing? Flower vase. It's a vase. V-A-S-E, vase. Number 4 answer is vase. Number 5. Where? On the rack we can see many toys are there. So answer will be toys. So you see from the box, T-O-Y-S, toys. You choose from there and write down answer number 5, toys. Number 6, what it is? It's a chair. So you have chosen the picture, the name is chair. Now write down the spelling C-H-A-I-R, chair. Number 6 answer is chair. Number 7. What picture is showing? It's showing on the bed. It's a pillow which we put and we go to sleep. So pillow spelling is P-I-L-L-O-W. Number 7 answer is pillow. Number 8. See the check type. It is what? It's a blanket which we cover ourselves. B-L-A-N-K-E-T, blanket. Number 8 answer is B-L-A-N-K-E-T, blanket. Number 9. See what it is. It's a computer. All of you know, yes? The spelling is what? C-O-M, yes. Then P, then U, T, E-R. Got it? So next page, you got to join the words and make a single word. Pine plus apple, number B. Pine plus apple, pineapple. Number 2, foot plus path. You join both the words and write footpath. 3, flower plus pot. It is flower pot. Ear plus ring. It will be what? Earring. Rain plus bow. It's rainbow. Number C. Here are spellings. Add a letter before each word to make a new word. See children, H-A-I-R is there. Now you have to add one alphabet before that to make a word. See, example is giving. Here they add C before that, it's become chair. So number 2, lay is that, add P before that, then it will become P-L-A-Y, play. L-A-Y is there, you have to add P, so it becomes play. Number 3, L-O-C-K, lock. So you have to add a alphabet and an alphabet. So you write B. Then write L-O-C-K. So it becomes block. Room, before room you add B. Then it becomes broom. 5, rain is there. You have to write an alphabet to make a new word. So you copy it on the rain and before that you add T. So it becomes train. Now ray, R-A-Y, ray, you write down and before that you add T. It becomes tray. So number C is done. Now we will do 8 grammar with fun. See the pictures, you all know it. We have done it. See first, number 1, the boy is drinking water. So it will be drink. Number 2 is what? Singing. So it will be sing. Number 3 will be skip. Number 4 will be dance. Number 5 will be run. Number 6 will be sleep. Got it? Now number E. Underline the action words in this sentence. Action words means children what? The doing words, what we do. The boy is playing. So playing is an action word. Go and sleep. Sleep is an action word. So sleep will be action word. So let us do. Number 1. Seema plays with her toys. So which is the action word? What do Seema is doing? Seema plays. So underline the plays. What does Seema do? Seema do? She plays. So underline the plays. Geeta can climb trees. What can Geeta can do? She can climb. Underline the climb, then trees. What does lion do loudly? A lion roars loudly. So roar is an action word. So you underline. Bee writes neatly. What action bee does? Writes. So underline the writes. It's an action word. Number 5. I polish my shoes. What work do you do? What action word? Polish. So underline polish. So number E answer is what are the action words? Underline number 1, underline plays. Number 2, underline climb. Number 3, underline rows. Number 4, underline writes. Number 5, underline polish. Now writing in fun. Here are the pictures and gap and all the answers at the down. You got to choose and write. So I'm reading out, you listen nice properly. Okay students? Seema looked through the, what picture is there? Window. So you have to write window over there. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. Into which place? It's a picture of garden. So you write garden over there. G-A-R-D-E-N. She saw small green bushes with red dash. What picture is that? It's a flower. What flower? Rose. So you write red roses. R-O-S-E-S. There were yellow flowers with an orange butterflies on them. So yellow what? Flowers. F-L-O-W-S. Flowers. With orange what? Butterflies. See the pictures of butterflies on them. White dash floats in the sky. What is the picture? It's clouds. So you write clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. She could also see a small purple dash. What is the picture of that? Kite. So you write the spelling K-I-T-E. Kite. Up in the sky. Seema was very happy. She could see all the colors of a dash through her windows. So from the windows, what did Seema see? Seema saw all the colors where you can see on the sky, that is rainbow. R-A-I-N, rain, B-O-W, bow. So students, workbook chapter 3, page 11, 12 and 13. Please do it in your books and I'll be giving you all the snapshot. You can see and write it down in your books. Okay? So we'll be meeting on the next class with some different work. Till then, complete your work. Bye all of you.